This is Andrew Dumino from CarbSmart.com, and today I'm making Guy Bauer's Low-Carb Fat Fast Gelatin Whip recipe. This low-carb, gluten-free, high-fat, Fat Fast recipe makes 5 200-calorie servings, which is all you need for one day on the Atkins Fat Fast. Of course, you don't have to eat all 5 servings in one day, but this is delicious and filling enough if you wanted to. You could also alternate them with other Fat Fast food choices, like some of the other Fat Fast recipes found here at CarbSmart.com. Let's prepare all the ingredients for this recipe. 1 4-serving package of Simply Delicious, sugar-free strawberry gelatin sweetened with stevia. 1/2 cup boiling water. This is the ACOC 1.7-liter electric kettle from Amazon.com. 4 ice cubes. 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 4 ounces of heavy cream. Dissolve the gelatin completely in the boiling water. It may take a couple of minutes for the gelatin to completely dissolve. Then add the ice cubes to cool it down and thicken it. My ice maker makes smaller ice cubes, so I'm using about 8 ice cubes. It may take a couple of minutes for all the ice cubes to dissolve. When the ice cubes are melted, combine the gelatin mixture with the cut-up cream cheese. Whirl it around until the ingredients are completely blended. Instead of using a regular blender, I like to use my Chefman 300-watt hand blender, which I bought on Amazon.com. Whip the 4 ounces of heavy cream until it has that nice, thick consistency we all love. Then, fold it into the cream cheese mixture. Divide the mixture into 5 equal portions, cover each with plastic wrap, and put them in the refrigerator to chill. Makes 5 servings, each with 2 grams of net carbs. For a printable version of this recipe, search Gelatin Whip at CarbSmart.com. For over 600 more free, low-carb recipes, including over 100 by Dana Carpenter, please visit CarbSmart.com. I welcome your comments below.